Jasmine. Welcome and welcome back to my channel today. We are diving deep into the world of kitchen cleaning. Today I'm going to try out some viral cleaning hacks for the kitchen, and I'm really excited to try out some of these things because I don't know about you, but I dream of a spotless kitchen where I don't have to do so much work. You know, I'm trying to work smarter and not harder. If you're a fan of cleaning and cleaning hacks and vegan meals and vlogs, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell notification so that way whenever I post a video, you are going to be the first to know. Cleaning hack number one. I have this pan. It's definitely seen better days, and I've tried for the life of me to get rid of all of this stuff. I've tried so many different things. I've tried using a Brillo pad and just whatever type of scoring pad. I've tried vinegar, I've tried baking soda vinegar. Nothing really works. Now, I saw something on YouTube the other day that blew my mind. Ketchup. This is what we're going to do. We are going to douse this in ketchup, and we're gonna let it sit for some time. The acidity of the ketchup is supposed to help with the stains. I'm going to get back to you on that, and I'm going to be using probably half of the ketchup packets because if this does in fact work, I want to use it on my other sheet pan. I'm going to be rubbing this all in with my handy dandy gloves. I love these gloves, by the way. I will link them below. They're also in my Amazon storefront as well. I'm gonna set this aside and let it rock out. It's 1:07 right now, so I'll check back maybe an hour from now and see how this does. On to hack number two. This hack is for cleaning wooden cooking utensils. Now, when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, this right here, this might be it. We have a whole bunch of wooden cooking utensils that definitely need to be cleaned, and hopefully it works. You gotta fill up a pot of water, let it boil, then put all of your cooking utensils in there. You're supposed to see things rise up to the surface. Let's get into it. We have our pot of water right here, and I'm gonna put it on high on the stove top. Let that rock. When it comes to boiling, these utensils are what I have to work with. This one has been burnt, so I don't really know how well it's going to work on this burnt one. But I know for this one in particular, just remember this has not been burnt. it's just seen better days. All right, most of my cooking utensils are somewhat clean, but listen, I want to see if this works. We're gonna wait for the water to boil, and then we are going to dump these in. Not really sure how long they're supposed to stay in here, so we just gonna see. Next hack I saw on the interwebs. A bowl of vinegar in the dishwasher, run it on the hot cycle. It's supposed to clean everything. It's supposed to disinfect everything. So we're going to put that to the test right now. Here's my dishwasher. I'm gonna take some vinegar, I'm gonna pour it into this bowl, and you're supposed to place it right on the top rack, like so, like that. Here's the dishwasher, here's the vinegar. I mean, the dishwasher is not crazy dirty, but it does need to be disinfected. Going to do a normal wash, high temp, and start. The fourth hack we're gonna test out is actually with the food disposal system in my sink. I saw somewhere that if you freeze some limes or lemons and then run it through the food disposal system, it's supposed to clean and disinfect and get rid of all of the gunk that's inside. So we're gonna test that out. I have some frozen lime. We're gonna put a couple in first. We're gonna run it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pun intended. The fifth and final hack I want to try is cleaning stainless steel appliances with avocado oil. This is supposed to be an easy way to kind of clean your stainless steel appliances and also give them a shine. So we're going to test that out in a bit. But first, we got to take a snacky snack break because baby girl is hungry. We are back. I tested out all of these hacks and I have some thoughts. First things first, we are going to be talking about the ketchup method on the baking sheets. This right here, 5 out of 5. I'm telling you, I tried so many things to get rid of the gunk, the literal gunk that's on these baking sheets, and nothing worked except for ketchup. So if you got a bottle of ketchup in the fridge that you don't want to use, if you got packets that are just piling up in your junk drawer, it will work. Just let it set for an hour or two and scrub with a Brillo pad or something like that. Next up, I want to talk about the wooden spoons boiling in the water. To be honest with you, I didn't really notice much of a difference with this method, unfortunately. It still kind of looks the same as it did before I boiled them. So I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 5. And the reason why I'm giving it a 3 out of 5 is while I don't think it worked to remove the stains on the spoons itself, I like the idea of disinfecting wooden utensils because they're very porous and lots of things can leach into it. I like the boiling method as form of a cleansing method. I also noticed that the boiling water it turned color, it changed yellow. I didn't see anything floating on top. I don't know, it could be like the foods that we cook. You know, we're vegan, so you're not gonna find a lot of interesting particles in the water. So moving on to the dishwasher method. So I did put in the bowl of vinegar in the dishwasher and I ran it through the hot cycle. I love this method. It's a great non-toxic way to clean and disinfect your dishwasher. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. Vinegar is and will forever be that girl. If you haven't tried this method, I highly recommend it. The food disposal method, right? So I used frozen lime in the food disposal. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. I like the idea of using natural products to disinfect and remove all of the gunk inside of the disposal, and it also smells really nice. One more thing, my love, one more thing. Just give me 1 minute, okay? Last but not least, we have the oil to clean stainless steel appliances. Now, I use it to clean the microwave. I use the microwave for storage, but in terms of the outside, it was looking kind of gunky. So we used this method to clean the outside of the microwave. I'm gonna give that a 5 out of 5. It definitely shined the microwave and it removed all of the smudges and things like that. And I actually wanna try this method next time to shine my sink. I hear a lot of homemakers talking about how you must shine your sink at the end of the day. So, yes, girl. If you have any other hacks you would like for me to try, feel free to leave in the comment section below. I am excited to try out all these different hacks because I have been meaning to do proper deep cleans of different things. So this gives me an excuse to do so and like truly test out the methods. So with all that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace. Hi, my love.
I was telling her.
Uh-oh, I opened the window.